What's the meaning of civil partnership? Civil partnership. Civil partnership.
Civil partnership. Civil partnership. A civil partnership is a legally recognized union between two individuals, generally of the same sex, which provides them with similar legal rights and responsibilities as marriage. The term is often used interchangeably with domestic partnership or registered partnership. In the UK, civil partnership was introduced in 2004 to offer same-sex couples legal recognition and the same rights and responsibilities as heterosexual couples in a marriage. The result of a civil partnership is that the couple has a legal status that grants them many of the same rights and responsibilities as married couples, including inheritance and tax benefits, medical decision-making, and parental rights.